Veteran reggae entertainer Brigadier Jerry was arrested in Connecticut after reportedly firing shots inside a West Indian restaurant.
You know me lion, down in Jamaica, Briggy born and grow.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
On Monday, November 11, the Waterbury Police were called to a popular Jamaican restaurant in Connecticut after a card game got sour when one of the players allegedly fired shots, causing everyone to flee for their lives. This according to police reports. According to reports, the reggae entertainer Brigadier Jerry had suspected that someone had stolen his wallet earlier during a card game. It is believed that he then left Bertie's West Indian and American restaurant on North Main Street and returned with a gun, according to the police. Police officers were called to the restaurant at about 11:30 p.m. after the shooting had taken place. Upon the arrival of the police, they said that the restaurant was closed, but found card players inside. The police were then informed that 62-year-old Robert Russell, who goes by the stage name Brigadier Jerry, had fired shots into a wall, sending card players running for the exit. Russell then reportedly grabbed the cash from the table, then walked out of the establishment, got into a black BMW motor car, which is registered in his name, and drove away from the scene. No one was injured in the gunfire, according to the police. The Waterbury officers found the black BMW, as well as Russell, at 272 Hill Street a short time later. They also found a loaded pistol on the south side of the building during a subsequent search. Russell is now charged with first-degree robbery, first-degree reckless endangerment, illegal discharge of a firearm, carrying a pistol without a permit, illegal transfer of a pistol, and altering a serial number on a firearm. He was held on a $250,000 bail bond.
You know me lion, down in Jamaica, Briggy born and grow.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.